لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله.
Our actual subject that we have in mind, there's a reminder for myself and for all that today is the day of Jumu'ah, and in the Hadith Sharif it comes that خَيْرُ يَوْمٍ تَطْلَعُ فِيهِ الشَّمْسِ. It is the best day in which the sun rises. And many other beautiful words with regard to the day of Jumu'ah. But unfortunately, for almost all of us, it comes and goes. But if we realize that Jumu'ah is a day, in the Hadith Sharif it comes, it's a Eid more greater than the other two Eids also. There are great amal, things, amals that we have to do for the day of Jumu'ah. There are kitabs available in very simple, straightforward language that what are the great amal of the day of Jumu'ah. We should try and read that and get acquainted that it isn't just a Friday that came and a Friday that went, but it's a very special day. Amongst the great ibadat of the day of Jumu'ah, of the many other great, simple, easy ibadat, is the recitation of Durood Sharif, Salawat ala Nabi. And Durood Sharif every day we should read, and on the day of Jumu'ah we should increase our salawat. At this juncture, each one of us think, how much Durood do I read a day? It comes in a Hadith Sharif, a person who will read 100 times Durood a day. Allah Ta'ala himself writes on the forehead of that person, Bara'atum minan nar, Bara'atum minan nifaq. That this person is free from hypocrisy and is free from the fire of Jahannam. You are set free. Hypocrisy, to be two-faced, is one of the worst, dirtiest things that a person can be involved in. So hypocrisy is a terrible sin, and the punishment for it is terrible. It comes in the Qur'an Sharif, Innal munafiqina fi darkil asfali minan nar. The hypocrites, who are those two-faced people, they will be in the lowest pits of Jahannam, which has been explained. They will be in iron coffins, and those coffins will have burnt red hot, and a person won't be able to move in there, and is that and forever and ever in that condition. So it's a terrible condition, and to get saved from it just by reading 100 times Durood Sharif, which will take us about 2-3 minutes, and we can get saved from that. The other terrible punishment, Allah Ta'ala says that the person will be saved if he just reads 100 times Salawat ala Nabi, that he bara'atum minan nar. He will be set free from the fire of Jahannam. Here in this world, just the flame of a matchstick we cannot tolerate. A cigarette lighter flame we can't tolerate. Sometimes when we are making wudu and lot of hot water comes, just that little bit, it doesn't scald our skin, but that also we can't tolerate. Where are we going to tolerate the fire of Jahannam? By just reading 100 times Salawat, Durood Sharif, Allah will free us, save us completely from the fire of Jahannam. And this is that when we will read Durood Sharif, not just the reading, and we carrying on with our other lifestyle, Salawat ala Nabi, our whole lifestyle will, our subject is, we'll come on the right direction. Ihdinas sirat al-mustaqim. And we'll get saved from the wrong things. By reading Durood Sharif, it comes in the Hadith Sharif 100 times a day. Allah will raise that person with the shuhada. He will be raised as a shaheed on the day of Qiyamah. And what a great thing to be a shaheed. Also it comes in the Hadith Sharif that a person who will read Durood Sharif is that ibadat that which is 100% accepted by Allah Ta'ala. There is a great discussion amongst the ulama And the conclusion they write that as-salatu ala nabi mustajabun qatta. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is 100% accepted. We made our sunnats, we'll be making our farad, and Allah in His mercy, we have great hope He will accept from us, but we haven't got guarantee. But Durood Sharif a person reads, it's guaranteed accepted by Allah Ta'ala. Lot of other amal we do, great virtues, but we don't know if it's accepted or not, whether we have done it properly. But Durood Sharif is 100% accepted by Allah Ta'ala. The ulama of Syria, before all these troubles that happened, when the parents used to bring their little children to the ulama and ask them to read or make dua for the children, they used to advise them that the mother, when she cooks the food, she must read 100 times Durood Sharif and blow on the food. And for women, to count 100 is not easy, but they are very used to timing, like so many minutes in the microwave, braise your onions for so many minutes, that they are used to. So it takes not more than 3 minutes. So if they time themselves when they start cooking to read 100 times Durood Sharif, and the simple Durood, easy, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and then they blow on that food. They say these children will grow up to be righteous, pious, healthy, secure, finances, health-wise, by the barakat of Durood Sharif. So encourage our women folk that they should read 100 times Durood and blow on the food. May Allah give us all tawfiq, inshallah.
Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar.